Prakash stood at the riverside, his white shirt fluttering gently in the breeze. The bright afternoon sun cast a warm glow over the serene surroundings, but Prakash's heart remained heavy with sorrow. His eyes, red-rimmed from crying, gazed out at the river's gentle ripples. It had been a week since his best friend, Rohan, had left this world behind. The pain of the loss still felt like a fresh wound, and Prakash couldn't help but feel overwhelmed by grief. He had come to the riverside, a place where he and Rohan had shared countless memories, hoping to find some solace. But as he stood there, the memories of his friend came flooding back, and Prakash felt the tears pricking at the corners of his eyes. As Prakash stood by the river, he felt an inexplicable pull towards the nearby Hindu temple. He decided to visit the temple, hoping to find some peace and solace. As he walked through the temple gates, he was enveloped by the serene and peaceful atmosphere. The soft chanting of mantras and the sweet fragrance of incense sticks calmed his mind. Prakash sat down on the cool marble floor, trying to focus his mind. He closed his eyes, taking deep breaths, and slowly began to feel a sense of calm wash over him. After a while, he was offered prasad by the temple priest. He gratefully accepted the offering and ate it, feeling a sense of refreshing energy flow through his body. As he sat there, he began to feel revitalized and rejuvenated, his grief slowly giving way to a sense of peace and tranquility. As Prakash continued to eat the prasad, he felt a profound transformation taking place within him. The divinity of the prasad seemed to be lifting the veil of sadness that had shrouded him for so long. With each bite, he felt his heart growing lighter, his spirit lifting, and his mind clearing. As the day wore on, Prakash's transformation became more and more pronounced. His eyes, once dull and lifeless, now sparkled with renewed vitality. His smile, once a rare and fleeting sight, now spread across his face, illuminating his entire being. In just one day, Prakash had undergone a beautiful transformation. From the depths of sadness and despair, he had emerged into the light of happiness and joy. Visiting the Hindu mandir had been the catalyst for this transformation, and Prakash felt deeply grateful for the experience. As he left the temple, Prakash felt like a new person. He was energetic, enthusiastic, and radiant with an inner light. His style, once subdued and somber, now shone with a renewed sense of confidence and purpose. Prakash knew that he would always cherish this day, this moment of transformation, and the divine prasad that had made it all possible.